2. Carbonara pasta. To make pasta carbonara, you will need the following ingredients: spaghetti or other type of long pasta, egg, pancetta or guanciale, grated pecorino romano cheese, black pepper, garlic, optional. Here are the steps to prepare pasta carbonara. Start by boiling the water for the pasta in a large pot. Add a little salt to the water when it comes to a boil. Heat a pan over medium heat and add the diced pancetta or guanciale. Cook the bacon until crispy. Meanwhile, beat the eggs in a bowl together with the grated pecorino romano and black pepper. When the bacon is ready, drain it and set it aside. In the same pan, add the spaghetti cooked al dente and the egg and cheese mixture, mixing well to ensure that the pasta is evenly flavored. Add the cooked bacon to the pasta and mix well. Serve immediately, sprinkling the pasta with a little grated Roman pecorino and black pepper. If you like, you can also add some minced garlic to the pan along with the bacon for an even more intense flavor. Enjoy your meal. Here are some useful tips for preparing pasta alla carbonara. Always use fresh eggs, as their texture is important to obtain the right creaminess of the carbonara. Choose a good grated pecorino romano cheese, as it is one of the main ingredients of the carbonara and will give the pasta an intense and decisive flavor. If you don't have bacon or guanciale, you can use diced cooked ham as an alternative. Avoid overcooking the eggs by mixing them with the hot pasta, as they may set and become too thick. Instead, mix the pasta with the eggs for only a few seconds, allowing the pasta to heat up but the eggs to remain fluid. If the carbonara is too dry, you can add a little pasta cooking water or milk to obtain a creamier consistency. Pasta carbonara should be served right away, as its flavor is best freshly prepared. If you have extra servings, you can keep them in the fridge for up to 2 days, reheating them briefly before serving.